I've been meaning to make this for a while. This will be a list of the 10 most useful resources for programmers. All of the resources here will be free, in no particular order, and the links will be in the description. At number 10, we have Repple. If you're a programmer, you're probably tired of opening an IDE, waiting for it to load just to test a function or some code. Well, Repple.it is a website that allows you to run code quickly for you to see the output. No installation, no load times, and hopefully no worries. I'm usually on here testing out my C#, but they also support Python, Java, C++, Ruby, Go, F#, Pygame, and a whole lot more. At number 9, we have Stack Overflow. I already did a video on the service, link in the description, and I'm sure you already know of Stack Overflow, but its usefulness is just that good. Also, pretty solid job board. Reddit. This one sounds kind of odd, but Reddit has a bunch of programming resources. There are subreddits of Python, C#, and Java, but there's also subreddits like Learn Python and For Hire. Learn Python gives you resources for learning Python, and there's most likely other subreddits for your programming language, and For Hire, which allows you to search for some freelance gigs. At number 7, we have Geeks for Geeks. This is more of a technical website, and perhaps I'll do a full review of this, but Geeks for Geeks has a topic on almost everything, from high level to low level, from various algorithms, data structures, to specific languages, and much more. At 6, we have Code Wars. I did a review on Code Wars. If you want to practice your skills, this is one of the better options out there. It's not perfect, but I do appreciate you have to solve the challenge to sign up. When you have the fundamentals down, give Code Wars a try. Next, we have GitHub. I did a review of GitHub as well, but the long and short is you'll need to create a GitHub account eventually to have a place to host and show off your projects. No matter what your skill level is, GitHub is for everyone. Number 4 is an odd choice, but Discord. There's a bunch of server channels where you can ask for your programming questions and get an answer almost immediately, depending on how active the server is. I'm a member of 2 C# servers, Java, Python, React, SQL, and several general programming servers. Some I've had better luck than others, but it's still a great place to ask questions without getting trampled on like Stack Overflow. At number 3 and 2, I'm combining the 2 different websites, Tutorials Point and Tutorials Teacher. They're both pretty similar, and I'm sure you've been to at least one of them while Googling a question. I think Tutorials Teacher is a little bit better. They explain things in a simpler and more concise way. Also, the digital book I bought at Tutorials Point sucks. Both of them go over various concepts like arrays, objects, or interfaces. And now the last and perhaps most obvious, or not obvious, source, but YouTube. I'll probably do a video of my favorite YouTube channels, but there are so many talented and useful resources on YouTube. I've learned a little React, CSS, Unity, and a whole bunch of other topics on YouTube. There's literally videos that are over 10 hours long, teaching you a variety of topics from beginner to pro, or you could build a project with one of these YouTube tutorials. Hopefully, you can add this channel to your list of programming resources in the future.